Good morning, students. So we were doing the chapter number 5, arithmetic progression, in which we have done exercise 5.2. In exercise 5.2, we have done till question number 7, and your question number 8th, 9th, 10th are nearly as same as question number 7. So you can try them. I'll also send you the notes of question number 8, 9, 10. Question number 11 is a bit different, so we'll do that. Question number 11 and also question number 13. These are the questions. They are a bit different. So I will tell you how to solve them. So what is question number 11? Question number 11 is which term of an AP 3, 15, 27. So this is an AP given. Which term of this AP will be 132 more than its 54 term? First understand the question. What is the question? So we have given an AP. So we have to find its 54 term, and then we have to add 132 in that. Then the number will come. This we have to take that number as an, and we have to find n. In other words, in simple words, I would say I want to find a number which is 132 more than its 54 term. So what is AP? First of all, AP is 3, 15, 27 up to so on. This is an AP. So we can say first term is 3. A is first term, so first term is 3. And common difference. What was common difference? Second term minus first term. Second term minus first term is common difference. So what is second term? Second term is 15. First term is 3. 15 minus 3. This is 12. So common difference is 12. A is 3. First we want to find its 54 term. Then we add 1 and 2 in that. First we will find 54 term. 54 term means we have to find A54. What is A54? You know the formula of an is a plus n minus 1d, right? 54 term is a54. N will be 54, so it will be a plus 53d. 54 is a plus 53d, right? What is a? A is 3. 53 into d is 12. So first we multiply. It will be 3 plus 636. This will be 639. So we have its 54 term. Now we have to find a term which will be 132 more than. First we have to add 132 in this number. So required number. So we have to find. First we will add 659 plus 132. It will be 771. So this number is 132 more than 39. Now we have to take this as an. So an is 77 and we have to find n. We have to find at what number this will be the term of this AP, right? So just we have to find n. So what is an? An is a plus n minus 1d, right? An is 771. I'm writing here. 771 is equals to a is 3 plus n minus 1. D is 12, right? So first we will take 3 here. 771 minus 3. These are the same. This will be 768 equals to n minus 1 into 12. Now we'll divide 12. This will be 768 divided by 12. By cutting, this will be 64. Now 1 will be added in this left hand side. And is 65. So what is this? So 65th term will be 132 more than its 54 term. So n is 65. This was your answer. Yes. So you can write it, and you can also then any problem you can ask me. So this was your question number 11th. Now next question is. It is written already. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? This is a very common question, and this question is very interesting as well as important. Now, first we have to find 3-digit numbers. How many 3-digit numbers are there exist which are divisible by 7? So we just have to find numbers of how many numbers are there, 3-digit numbers which will be divisible by 7. So tell me. For 3-digit numbers, first 3-digit numbers. what will be the first 3-digit number that will be divisible by 7? It will be 105. Right? You know the table of 7? 98. If I add a table of 7, after 98, 105 will be the number that is the first 3-digit number which will be divisible by 7. This will be 105. Next number will be 112. Next number will be 119. So the 3-digit numbers which will be divisible by 7 will start from 105, right? And how will we find the last term? Last 3-digit numbers that will be divisible by 7. Now there is a method to find that number. So how we find that number? Now greatest 3-digit number that what is the greatest 3-digit number? This is 999. This is greatest 3-digit number. So I have to find a number which will be divisible by 7. Greatest 3-digit number will be divisible by 7. I have to divide this number by 7. So I divide it by 7 first. Divide this 1. 7 2s are 5, 9, 7, 8 is this will be 56. This will be 2. 7 4 28. This will be 1 9. 7 2 40. So remainder is 5. Now we have to subtract this remainder from 9 and 9. This will be 9 and 9 minus 5. 9 and 4. This will be the greatest 3-digit number which will be divisible by 7. This will be the last term of this equation. Right? The method is quite simple. Just greatest 3-digit number is 9 and 9. You have to divide that number by 7. Right? Remainder will come. Just subtract that remainder from this number. This will be your last term. Now, AP is formed. What we have to find? We just have to find number of terms. How many number of terms are there in this AP? First of all, it is an AP. You can see the difference is 7. So first term will be 105. What will be the common difference? Common difference will be, you can see, 7. Now this is your last term. Last term means AN. AN is 994. What we have to find? We have to find N. Just to apply the formula, AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 D. AN is 994, A is 105 plus N minus 1 into D is 7. First subtract this number from RHS. This will be 889 is equals to N minus 1 into 7. Divide 7 into 9 divided by 7. It will be by cutting it to 127. Now add 1. So N will be 128. So there will be 128 numbers, 128 3-digit numbers which will be divisible by 7. This is your answer. Now I will send you the notes. There are various questions of this kind in your exercise. You try them, and if any problem you have, you can ask me.